Hello, today we will guide you through how to add an XML file to WordPress. To begin, make sure you are logged into your WordPress dashboard and viewing your site's main home area. This is the starting point for accessing the import tools you'll need. If you're already on the dashboard, you're in the right place and ready to continue. From the dashboard, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Tools. This section contains a variety of site management options, and in this case, it's where WordPress keeps the import feature. Taking a moment to get familiar with this menu can be helpful, especially if you plan to manage site content regularly. Once the Tools page opens, click on Import. The Import page is designed to help you bring content from other sources into your WordPress site. This is especially useful if you're moving content from another WordPress installation or using an exported XML file that contains posts, pages, media references, and other site data. On the import screen, find the WordPress option and click Run Importer underneath it. This launches the WordPress import tool specifically intended for XML files generated by WordPress. If this is your first time using it, WordPress may take a moment to load the importer interface, so give it a few seconds if needed. When the importer opens, click on Upload File. This is the step where you choose the XML file from your computer. Make sure the file you select is the correct export file you want to import. It's a good idea to confirm the file location beforehand so the process goes smoothly and you don't accidentally upload the wrong document. Next, browse for your sample XML file, select it, and upload it. After the file has been uploaded, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the import. WordPress may ask you to confirm how content should be assigned or imported, so read each screen carefully before moving forward. This helps ensure that your imported content ends up in the right place. Once the process finishes, your XML content should be added to your WordPress site. Depending on the size of the file, the import may take a little time, so be patient while it completes. Afterward, it's a good idea to review your site content and confirm everything imported correctly. That's it for this guide on how to add an XML file to WordPress.